Shout out Wendy's. Shout out to any girl I've asked to dance. What's up, guys? It's Benj from CleanKIX, and today we're just gonna be cleaning the undersoles of these shoes, so we'll get right into it. Just gonna go with the soft brush and just go over the top of these, get all that surface dirt off. These are actually really cool. Like, I like shoes like this where they have the icy sole, but they have like words or like designs on them. I think that's actually like what they have with the strange lows. I think that's really cool. So I think these are pretty dope. Wipe this off. So last video, Evan said that there was this secret word that if you commented, we'd give you a shout out. So here we are, giving the shout out. Jill Jones, thanks for the watch. Fucking Garage, thank you. Lindsey Johnson, the GOAT of CleanKIX, and Tyler, of course, but maybe he's not the GOAT. Just kidding, Tyler, I love you. Buffalo and Bubblegum, thanks for the comment. Oaks, thank you, man. Or girl. Trailmix 801, thank you for the comments. Talon Palad, thank you. Okay, sweet, yeah, so thank you guys for the comments. Stick around to the end of the video for the next secret word so we can give you guys some shout outs. All right, well, looks like we're gonna need to use our handy dandy, I don't know what you call it, scraper. It's always so satisfying when you do this. Sometimes though, you just get excited because you think it's gonna be really satisfying and then it's not. Yeah, that, dude, freaking sixth grade me with my Vans walking to school, they were all over the place. Go home, have one in my foot. Those things were painful. If they're just in the sole of your shoe, it's fine, because then they're fun to pick out. But when they're in your foot, it's not that fun. All right, yeah, we're just gonna, I don't have the steady hands for this. I guess I'm not gonna be a surgeon one day. It'd be pretty dope. I think I could do it. Think I could do it? That's nice. Okay, this isn't an ASMR video, so I'll chill out. It's honestly the best though, like, it's just calming. Okay, this is looking, okay, yeah, that's for sure looking better. Look at the difference there. It's looking a little clearer. We'll still, let's see. Let's grab our little, this brush here. I like using this brush because it just like gets in the crevices better, and it honestly just, I think, gets dirt out better and like these stains. It's not even like they're dirty, like with dirt and stuff and like grime, but it's just like kind of stained, so it's deep in there. Dude, I wore my New Balance 550s, my fresh goods, outside in Vegas. Oh my gosh, they're black now, so that was not a smart choice. I like the icy soles on some shoes goes crazy, but on some I just don't like it. Like, hot take, I don't like the origin stories that much. The Jordan 1s, not my favorite. They're just a knockoff Chicago. Hey, if you like it, wear it. I'm not gonna tell Oz I don't like him though, because he loves them. He does.
Oh yeah.
Oh, well, good luck with that. Okay, how's that? Oh yeah, look at that. It's looking a lot better.
Pull it back a little.
Because all the lights back there, yeah.
There you go. Okay, so we're just gonna keep working on that. I'm just gonna get these perfect. Are we gonna ice these? Is it gonna do much? I truly don't know if it would. Okay, well, we're gonna get the even smaller brush, see if it'll, I do not like the toothbrushes, I'm not gonna lie. They like, I don't know, it's kind of more surface, I feel like. This is more stiff of a brush. Dude, I've been loving this brush lately. It's my favorite for sure. Dude, it's the best. Cause like, you can get in the air bubble of shoes, you can get the undersole, you can get just the tiny cracks. Yeah, it's pretty goated. It's a multi-tool. Small, but it does the job. Yeah, my mom watches these videos, so probably not classified stuff. The classified Evan moments, but it's okay, we still love him. We love Evan no matter what. Shout out to Evan's TikTok. No need. You take a nice nap over there, Tyler? No! Yo! We like her a lot. If you bring 3 pairs of shoes in and get premium cleans every time, we love you here. Like, it's not that we don't love our other customers, but we love you just that much more. Like, just know that we appreciate you and what you do for us. And someday, when we're a little bit bigger than we are, hey, you can say that you're one of our favorites. So that's pretty cool, I guess. Lindsay's telling me that if you bring in 4 or more pairs, there's just automatic discounts. So like, hey, maybe Monica needs to start bringing in 4 pairs, not just 3. What's the coolest shoe we've gotten into clean, like ever? Or like the most expensive? Those Fear of Gods we had were kind of dope. Oh, what? Someone brought in Off-White Chicago's? Dang. The coolest shoe I've cleaned was the Off-White UNCs. I cleaned 2 pairs, our pair and that one guy who brought them in. I forgot that guy's name. Dude, my friend was like, can I bring my Nike slides? I was like, that would take me 10 seconds, sure, go for it. But then she was like, do you want to give me a discount? I was like, that's it, sorry. Well, I want to get them for free. I was like, well, we're not a charity here at CleanKIX. Why make money when you can lose it, right, Tyler? Maybe it's looking better. Okay, I think that'll be it though. These are looking nice. You're welcome, Lindsay. Just kidding, it's my job. Look at that. Should we ice these too? Ooh, and then just do a comparison. Ooh, okay. Do you want some, what do you call, is that like UV rays? A light box. Acts like the sun, so we can't do the sun. You want to hand me the bottle and a paintbrush? Oh, maybe those are nice brushes. Those are the crappy ones, I think. Oh my gosh. Okay, this thing's a piece of crap. We're gonna be using this stuff to ice the soles. So pretty much what we're gonna do is you kind of just paint this stuff on, and then we put it in our light box that we have that is UV rays. It kind of acts like the sun, but the sun can like disintegrate the soles of the shoes, and it's not always sunny. So we use our light box. And so I'm gonna paint this on, wrap it in saran wrap, and then we're gonna throw it in the light box for a couple hours today, and then we'll probably do it for a couple hours tomorrow. So we'll wash it off after we're done today, and then we'll just restart the whole process. And then we'll show you guys the final product after, and we'll show you kind of the before and after. So let's get into it. Okay, this brush is folding. It's getting stuff all over it. Okay, quick change of brush. This is actually one of our additional services that we have here. I think it's like 10 or 15 bucks. So soles and midsoles will just like start to yellow. Or if you just wear them a lot, it can just bring out the white in it. Or if it's an icy sole like this, be careful if you're ever doing this at home, because we don't want to ruin anybody's shoes. We just continue to stay careful. Yeah, they turn out really nice though. Like this is probably one of my favorite things to do, just cause like it's so satisfying when it comes out and you just see how clear it is or how white. Like we had one pair one time, it was just like super duper yellow, and then we iced it for like not 3 days straight, but we did like 3 sessions of icing it, and they looked so white after. It was incredible. But yeah, if you guys want more icing videos, then just like comment that, because I would be more than happy to make icing videos. And if you want us to make an icing video on your shoe, then just bring a pair in, pay for an icing, and then just, if you want us to make a video on it, then just tell us that, and we can do that for you, because I am more than happy to make some videos, and I'm sure Ben is more than happy to film them. So, right, Ben? Yeah, so. And on like Jordan 4s, they get super yellowed on like the cages. So here, can't really put this down. Here, I'll just hold it with one hand, watch this. So on like the cages right here, it can get super yellow over time. So that's another thing we ice, because it can look pretty gross on the 4s, I'm not gonna lie. And it kind of just, I don't know, it makes them look bad. So we've iced a bunch of those before. Turns out pretty great. Doesn't get like 100% white, of course, because you're never gonna be able to turn it back to like exactly brand new, but it looks a lot better. So thanks, Lindsay. All right, we're just about done here. So I'm gonna roll out a thing of saran wrap, and then we're gonna put it on, fold it up, and then we're gonna throw it in the light box for a couple hours, and then we'll pull it out, wash this all off, and then we'll do the same process again tomorrow. Are we almost out of saran wrap? Okay, sweet. Okay, now that we've got our saran wrap, you can take the shoe and you just want it in the middle. That works. And then we're just gonna fold it up, make sure everything is covered. Perfect. So now that that is all covered, throw it in the light box for a little bit, and then we will get back to you guys on this. Do you want me to like get it shown? Best thing ever. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to follow our socials. We got our YouTube, our TikTok, and our Instagram. Make sure to check out links in our description. Also, you can book your cleanings online now at CleanKIXLab.com. So make sure to check the website out. We know Lindsay's put a lot of time and effort into that, so we'd really appreciate it if you guys check that out. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment icy in the comments, and we'll shout you out next video. Last week's word was cheese, and we made sure to get all those shout outs. So just, if you made it this far, comment down below, and we'll see you next time.